Before you start watching this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tapping the bell icon button so you will be first to know when we post new videos. The liver is the second largest organ in your body, which occupies significant space in the upper right abdomen. It plays a great role in digestion, producing bile. The liver converts excess of sugar to glycogen and stores it as a reserve of energy. Detoxification is the second important role of this organ. Your liver helps eliminate waste products and metabolize medications. Liver supports creating blood clotting factors and amino acids, chemicals, needed to build the proteins. Just imagine what may happen in your body if this vital organ gets damaged. By the way, the liver has a unique ability to replace injured cells and restore their function. There is a high number of factors which can contribute to liver dysfunction. Check out these signs that your liver is full of toxins and can't work properly. Number 1. Jaundice. When your red blood cells naturally die off, they produce a waste product called bilirubin. This chemical normally gets excreted by your liver through the bile. If something goes wrong in liver's working, bilirubin begins to build up in the body, causing yellowing of the skin and eyes. Number 2. Abdominal pain. Inflamed liver can enlarge, put pressure on the nerves of the capsule, the sac, which covers the liver, causing painful sensations in upper right part of your belly. Number 3. Fatigue. Liver dysfunction may result in accumulation of the toxins inside the body. That can cause inexplicable long-term exhaustion, which doesn't go away after sleep and rest. Number 4. Easy bruising. Liver normally takes part in the creation of blood clotting factors. Hepatic failure breaks this process. As a result, you may experience abnormal bleedings and easy bruising. Number 5. Nausea and vomiting. People with liver disease often complain of nausea and vomiting, particularly on the later stages. Number 6. Big tummy. Your belly may become large even without eating too much. The reason is that hepatic failure usually leads to ascites, fluid accumulation within the abdomen. Number 7. Swollen legs. Water imbalance usually causes swelling in the lower extremities. Number 8. Acid reflux. Those who suffer from the liver disorder often have heartburn. Number 9. Loss of appetite. This is a common symptom of wide variety health issues, including hepatic failure. Number 10. Itchy skin. We've said that unhealthy liver doesn't remove bilirubin as needed. When the substance builds up in the skin, you may experience unbearable desire to scratch yourself. Several studies show that eating certain foods like ginger root, raw vegetables, bananas, sweet potato and consumption of natural supplements, milk thistle, dandelion tea, black seed oil and vitamin E, can help detoxify your liver. However, you need to consult with your doctor before taking any remedies and supplements. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.